Hey guys, this is Matthias again from beardinstructor.com, and today I'm going to talk about this brand new product from a company called Grizzly. It's a beard care set in a travel-friendly size. If you read my blog and you follow my videos, you know that I'm a big fan of natural products. It's a reason for that because I don't want to use plastics on my beard. And I got a very new product from a company called Grizzly. They sent me this travel set. It contains 3 essential products for your daily beard care on a natural basis. Grizzly was founded in 2015 and they are pretty new onto the market, and I think they deliver a very good product with this. The box itself is very handy, and I think it makes a good gift for beardos. And what I really like is the list of ingredients is very easy to read. Sometimes when I do reviews, I complain that the letters of the list of ingredients is small like this because obviously the company, they want to hide something from you, and this is plastics and other stuff they put in their products. This is actually very good because I got the feeling Grizzly is proud of this product. They don't have anything to hide from you. The price is £35. Actually, they sell it for an introduction price of £25. And you get, first of all, the premium beard oil. It's 30 milliliters. You also get 30 milliliters of the beard wash. And you get 60 milliliters of their beard balm. The liquids come in a very handy bottle. The bottle has a dispenser that makes it very easy to use. Sometimes beard oil comes in very easy, simple bottles, and you get a mess when you use it. So this is pretty good, I think. The smell is... I think it's a smell that you know from other beard care products. It contains cedarwood and lemon notes. It's nothing special. I think it smells good. If you like fresh smells and fresh scents, it might be yours. I think it vanishes very fast, so this should not be the game stopper. I have not used the products now because I just wanted to give you this little overview over it. What I noticed is the beard wash smells a little bit different than the other 2 products. Maybe it's because of the ingredients, I don't know. It gives me the feeling that it's a bit muffy or old. After I use it, I will judge finally. For now, it's okay for me. The price is £35. I think it's a bit overpriced. When I see the small bottle of the beard wash, could be a little bit bigger. When you keep in mind this is made for traveling, the sizes are really good, but the price is a bit too high, I think. When I calculate this to 100 milliliters, the beard wash is 50 franc or something. Yeah, it's pretty expensive, I think. Yeah, what else can I talk about? The shipment, they ship it to the UK, to Europe, and I think they have also shipment options to the States. So maybe you want to give it a try. Order it on grizzlyadam.co.uk. And if you want to know more about grooming and everything, go on to my blog. That's www.beardinstructor.com. You will find a lot more reviews of grooming products and tutorials. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up as usual, or better, subscribe to my channel. And if you wonder why the setup today is different, and now shitty camera blurs, it's because I bought a green screen, so future videos might be a little bit different. I hope to increase the quality a little bit. That's it for today. Stay bearded. See you soon. Bye bye.